Tired of a cluttered garage and struggling to find space for all your tools and gear? Today, I've got you covered with the 5 best garage shelving on Amazon that can transform your garage into an organized, efficient workspace. From strength to versatility, I'll break down what makes each shelving unit stand out, and yes, I'll share the honest pros and cons. Let's get your garage neatly organized and clutter-free. Number 1. Overall best pick. HomeDant 5-Tier Laminated Metal Shelving. The HomeDant 5-Tier Laminated Metal Shelving Unit is a versatile and sturdy storage solution for garages, kitchens, pantries, or closets. Its heavy-duty metal construction and laminated finish provide durability while supporting a variety of items, from tools to kitchen appliances. The adjustable shelves make it easy to customize spacing to fit different items, offering excellent flexibility. Assembly is straightforward, and the unit's sleek black design fits well in most spaces. One downside is that while it's strong, overloading the shelves with very heavy items can cause bending over time. Overall, it's a reliable, practical, and affordable shelving solution for home organization. Number 2. My second best pick, Sterilite Heavy-Duty Shelving Storage Rack. The Sterilite 5-Shelf Unit is a practical and lightweight solution for organizing your home or garage. Made from durable plastic, it's resistant to rust and corrosion, making it ideal for damp areas like basements or garages. The 5 shelves provide ample storage for tools, bins, or household items, and the assembly is simple without the need for extra tools. Its neutral gray color blends well in most spaces. One downside is that it's not designed for very heavy loads, so placing extremely heavy items may cause sagging. Overall, it's an affordable, versatile, and easy-to-use shelving unit for everyday organization. Number 3. My third best pick, G-Rack 5-Tier Garage Shelving Units. The G-Rack 5-Tier Garage Shelving Unit is a heavy-duty and versatile storage solution for workshops, garages, sheds, or offices. Each shelf supports up to 400 pounds, giving a total capacity of 2,000 pounds, making it perfect for tools, bins, or heavy equipment. The adjustable shelves allow for customization to fit various items, and the freestanding design means no wall mounting is required. Its sturdy steel construction ensures durability, and the sleek black finish looks professional. One downside is that assembly can take some time and requires careful alignment of parts. Overall, it's a strong, reliable, and practical shelving unit for serious organization. Number 4. My fourth best pick, Seville Classics Ultra Durable Heavy Duty. The Seville Classics Ultra Durable 5-Tier Steel Wire Rack is a versatile and strong storage solution for garages, offices, kitchens, or classrooms. Made from solid steel, it provides excellent durability and can hold heavy items securely. The wire shelving design allows for airflow, which is ideal for pantry or kitchen storage, and the adjustable shelves offer flexibility to fit items of various heights. Assembly is straightforward, and its compact size makes it suitable for tight spaces. One downside is that the black coating may scratch if heavy items are dragged across the shelves. Overall, it's a reliable, sturdy, and practical organizer for a variety of storage needs. Number 5. Last but not least, my fifth best pick, HomeDocs 5-Tier Steel Wire Shelving Unit. The HomeDocs 5-Tier Steel Wire Shelving Unit on wheels is a versatile and durable storage solution for garages, kitchens, living rooms, or offices. Its heavy-duty chrome shelves can hold a wide range of items securely, and the wheel design makes it easy to move around as needed. The 5 adjustable shelves provide flexibility for different storage needs, from small kitchen appliances to larger tools. Assembly is straightforward, and the sturdy steel construction ensures long-lasting use. One downside is that the chrome finish can scratch if heavy objects are dragged across the shelves. Overall, it's a practical, mobile, and reliable shelving unit for home or workspace organization. That's a wrap. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and smart product picks every week. Got a favorite garage shelving? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're riding with.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.